Hello, Nan. Good evening.
Hello.
Hi. Yes. All right. So, how are you today, Nan? How are you today? Oh, by the way, I cannot hear you well. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you hear
I
me?
can. Yes, I can.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good, Nan. All right. So, what is the weather today?
It's cloudy.
Yes, what's the weather today?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Very good, Nan. Anyway, for tonight, we are going to learn about lesson 28.1, all about jobs. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Very good. So, listen carefully to teacher. I want you to look at the screen always. Listen, answer, then pay attention. Okay, so let's learn. Look at the picture, listen, and repeat. Teacher.
Teacher,
Zebra.
Very
doctor,
good.
Doctor.
dentist,
Dentist.
Very good. Now I want you to look at the teacher. Okay? What is her job?
Where?
Who is she? Look, can you see the screen? Yes or no?
She is teacher.
All right. Who is she?
She teacher.
Very good. So, what does a teacher do? A teacher teaches the students. Now, where can we see a teacher? Where does the
At
teacher
work.
work? At school. Very good. So they work at school. Now look at this one. Who is he?
He's doctor.
One more time, then. I want you to say, he is a doctor. He's a doctor.
He a teacher.
Very good. All right. Now I want you to look
He
at the
is
doctor. The doctor will help sick people. Okay, now where does the doctor work? Where does the doctor work? Look, look. Where does the doctor work? Do they work at school, at home, at the hospital, or at the playground?
a doctor.
All right. So listen, the doctor works in the hospital. You say hospital. You say hospital. Look, hospital. Very good. Okay, now look at this one. Who is he? Who is he? Listen carefully. Okay, look, a teacher teaches the students at school. The doctor help the sick people in the hospital. The dentist will take good care of your teeth and they work in the clinic, okay?
Được rồi, hãy nhìn cô giáo dạy học sinh ở trường. Bác sĩ giúp đỡ những người bệnh trong bệnh viện. Nha sĩ sẽ chăm sóc răng miệng cho bạn và họ làm việc trong phòng khám. Được rồi.
Okay, now listen to teacher. Who works at school? Is it the teacher, the doctor, or the dentist? Who works at school?
It's teacher.
Very good. Who works in the clinic? Yes, listen. Who works in the dental clinic?
Người làm việc tại phòng khám nha khoa.
Dentist. Very good. Now, where does the doctor work? You say at the hospital. One more. Hospital. That's right. Okay. Now, I want you to look at this one.
Police officer.
One more. You say officer. Police officer.
Officer.
Very good. Now listen carefully. A police officer will maintain peace and order in the community. They will be the one to catch bad people.
Một cảnh sát sẽ duy trì hòa bình và trật tự trong cộng đồng. Họ sẽ là người bắt những kẻ xấu.
Yes. And listen, police officers work at the police station or sometimes anywhere. Okay, now listen to this.
Firefighter.
Firefighter. Very good. A firefighter is a person who will help you to put off the fire in case that there is a big fire.
Lính cứu hỏa là người sẽ giúp bạn dập tắt đám cháy trong trường hợp có một đám cháy lớn.
Okay, it is the firefighter. Now, look.
Pilot.
Pilot. You say pilot. Very good. Now listen to this one. A pilot is the person who is in charge to fly the plane.
Là người chịu trách nhiệm lái máy. Phi công là người chịu trách nhiệm lái máy bay.
That's the pilot. Now look at this one. Who will catch bad people? Is it the police? Listen. Listen to teacher and answer my question. All right? Oh, here. Listen to teacher and answer my question in a complete sentence.
Hãy lắng nghe giáo viên và trả lời câu hỏi của tôi bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh.
Okay. Who will catch? bad people?
I don't know.
Is it the police officer, firefighter, or the pilot?
Ai sẽ bắt những kẻ xấu?
Bad people.
If police officer,
That's right. One more, you say officer. Officer. You say officer.
officer,
Officer. Very good. All right. Now look at this one. Who will fly the plane? Who will fly the plane?
pilot,
The pilot. Very good. All right. Now I want you to look at the firefighter. What is his job? Or what does he do? Look at the firefighter. What does he do? What does a firefighter do?
Lính cứu hỏa làm gì?
What does a firefighter do? Say he
Yeah.
puts off the fire. You say he puts off the fire.
rider,
The firefighter helped to put off the fire.
Lính cứu hỏa giúp dập tắt đám cháy.
Okay, so look, Nan, he puts off the fire. Okay, now look at this one.
Pilot.
Do you want to be a teacher? Do you want to be a teacher?
yeah,
Wow. Do you want to be a doctor?
no,
Very good. Do you want to be a dentist?
no,
Do you want to be a police officer?
Police officer.
no,
Firefighter.
Do you want to be a firefighter?
no,
Do you want to be a pilot?
yeah,
Wow. Why do you want to be a pilot?
because it's
Because it can fly the plane like that. Okay, now look at this one. Let's practice. Okay, look. What do you do?
Bạn làm nghề gì?
I'm a student.
Very good. Now look. What does? I'll look at this one. What does he do? What does he do?
Anh ấy làm gì?
Um, I am a police. Hey,
Okay, you say
like
he is a police officer.
he
What does he do?
A frisker.
Very good.
He
What about
is,
him?
is
What does he do? Look at him. What does he do? Look, Nan, what does he do?
it here.
One more. You say, he's a pilot.
He a pilot.
Very good. What about him? What does he do?
Anh ấy làm gì?
What does he do?
He is a firefighter.
Okay, don't forget to say, he is a firefighter. One more. What does he do?
He is a firefighter.
Very good. How about you?
He is a firefighter.
Yes. How about you? What do you do?
He is a student.
How about you? What do you do?
Còn bạn thì sao? Bạn làm nghề gì?
I don't know.
Okay, you say, I am a student.
A student.
All right. A student is just like you, who is still at school learning. All right.
Học sinh cũng giống như bạn, vẫn đang đi học và học tập tốt.
All right. Student. Okay. Now look at this one, Nan. What does she do? What does she do?
Teacher.
He is a teacher.
Very good. How about him? What does he do?
He a doctor.
Nice. What does he do? What does he do?
He is dentist.
Very good, Nan. Okay, now listen to teacher because you're going to tell me who can help me. Okay?
Hãy nghe lời thầy cô vì
Okay.
thầy cô sẽ cho em biết ai có thể giúp em được chứ.
Okay, so Nan, my tooth hurts. Listen. My tooth hurts. Where should I go?
I don't know.
Răng tôi bị đau, tôi nên đi đâu?
My tooth hurts. So where should I go? Should I go to the teacher? To the doctor? To the dentist?
He
Where should I go?
Dentist.
Very good. Okay. Now, help, help. Somebody stole my money. Where should I go?
Hãy giúp ai đó. Giúp ai đó lấy cắp tiền của tôi. Tôi nên đi đâu?
Somebody stole my money. Where should I go? Where should I go?
He goes a police station. A prisoner.
Nice, police officer. Now, oh my God, there's a big house which is actually burning. Who should I call?
Giờ thì trời ơi, có một ngôi nhà lớn đang cháy, thật sự tôi nên gọi cho ai đây?
Is it the police officer, the firefighter, or the pilot?
A firefighter.
Very good, Nan. Okay, now this time, let us play a game. Now look at the picture and write your answer. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? By the way, I can't hear you well. And also in this part, you're going to listen to me, say the answer, and write in a complete sentence, okay?
Nhân tiện, tôi không nghe rõ bạn nói và trong phần này bạn sẽ nghe tôi nói câu trả lời và điền từ vào một câu hoàn chỉnh nhé.
Look at this one. What do you do? I am a dentist. I am a dentist. Now your turn. What do you do? Hello, Nan. Hello, Nan.
Hello.
Okay, what about this one? What do you do?
I am.
I am. Very good. I am a dentist. Nice. What about this one? I am a very good. I'm a firefighter. Wow, nice. A police officer. Very good. What about the last one? What do you do? Wow, great job, Nat. Nice. So for this one, you got 4 out of 4. Well done. So I'm going to give you 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, look at this one. What does he do? What does he do? What does he do? He is a doctor. Very good. So you have to say your answer. What about them? Who are they? Who are they? So what will you say? Who are they? What will you say?
They are police. They fighter.
All right, one more time. You say police officers. Police officers.
They officer.
Very good. Now, what about this one? What does he do? What's your answer? What does he do? What's your answer, Nan? Oh, I want you to look at the picture. Look, look. You have to say, what does he do?
He do a fighter.
Okay, you say, he is a firefighter. That is the answer. So anyway, Nan, it's already time. So what did we learn tonight? We learned about jobs, just like teacher, firefighter, police officer, pilot, dentist, and doctor. Okay, so thank you so much for joining our class. I hope you learned something. For tonight, you've got 6 stars in total. Good night, Nan. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.